Where do low-voltage fire alarm system cables penetrate the fire resistance rate of a building? These cables are essentially wires that transmit sound when a fire alarm is triggered. They need to be installed above the floor in rigid metal raceways or in non-metallic conduit. Fire resistance rate must be maintained at least 7 feet above the floor. The installation of fire alarm system cables requires that the building's construction provide adequate protection and adhere to codes and standards. In the supervision state, a low-voltage electrical current passes through the circuit and back to the panel. During the alarm state, the electrical current travels through the notification appliances, which are also called bells, horns, strobes, or other acoustic devices. The notification appliance circuit must be capable of providing supervision to the other components of the system. To ensure proper supervision, the circuit contains diodes that only allow current to flow in one direction. Consequently, the sounder will not activate if the alarm system is in supervisory mode. While unshielded fire alarm system cables offer the same heat resistance as shielded cables, they are not EMI protected. Shielding adds to the product's cost because it requires additional components and processing. Skipping shielding may result in operational problems for the fire alarm system. In addition, shielding doesn't increase the resistance to heat, while insulation makes the cables more resistant to the fire. Shielded fire alarm system cables should also be shielded to prevent electromagnetic interference. Shielded fire alarm system cables should be made of a metal or conductive material, which can be either braided or foil. Shielded cables also prevent false alarms and wrong trouble signals. It's important to remember that shielding can't stop EMI but can help prevent false alarms and false signals. When choosing where to install a low-voltage fire alarm system, it's important to understand the code requirements. If there are any exceptions, make sure to get a permit before installing the system. You'll also need to get a permit from your fire department and fire safety officer. This permits you to install low-voltage fire alarm systems in new buildings. There are special requirements in Canada that apply to renovations and new installations.